Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to draw the involute of a circle of diameter 30 millimeters, and we have the string length to be 80 millimeters, which is less than the circumference of a circle. So let's see how we'll go about it. Alright, so let's begin. We are first going to draw the circle, the diameter of 30, so the radius of 1.5. Radius of 1.5. So I'm going to stand at any point and just draw. Alright, so that's my circle of diameter 30 millimeters. Next, I'm going to divide this circle into 12 parts. So let's see how we go about it. So I'm first going to make one division here, then another one with my t-square, then with the same radius I stood here to draw, I'll stand on the 4 corner points and inscribe arcs. Alright, so you have an axis. So now let's join them. Right. So let's number them. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, I've missed it. Alright, I've corrected it. Sorry. Next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line from point 12. This we have been given that the string length is 80 millimeters. So that's my 80 millimeters point here. Now let's find the circumference of this circle. That's 2 pi r, and that will give us 94.2. So 94.2 should be somewhere around here. So this is our point P, and from here to this side is our circumference. Now you're going to divide our circumference. That's so let me name here to point 12. We're going to divide from 12 to 12 into 12 parts. Right, so let's begin. So we have this, my acute angle. Then I'm going to step off 12 equal distances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are divisions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you join the last one, 2.12. Next you draw parallel lines to that line. So you use our two set squares. So I'm going to align it like this. I'm going to align it with it. Now support it with the other one. Now I'm going to move. Okay, ended here. Let me see. Here we go. All we are doing right now is just drawing parallel lines to the first one. We're almost at the edge, so let's move upwards. So you support it. Then you move. Yeah, you move. Right, so we have made our divisions now. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. So we are going to start marking. But first, you need to draw tangents at each of these points. So then use your set square. You align it with it. Then you draw. Oh, it's a bit faint. Then you align it with 2. Then you draw. You align it with 3. Then you draw. You align it with 4. Then you draw. So you're going to do the same for the rest. Alright, so we are done drawing our tangents. I'm going to stand at 1. You open to P. Get that distance. Stand at 1 here and describe an arc. So that's what you're going to do for the rest. So this is my P. Sorry, I hope you can see. So that's my P. That's my position 1. So I now stand 1 at 1 and describe an arc. Then I'll stand at 2, open to P, stand at 2, and describe an arc. Where the arc is visible. Next, you stand at 3, open to P, then stand at 3 and describe an arc. You're going to do the rest for all the points. Right. So now, when you get to 8, that's what I've done. So 9, stand at 9, open to P, stand at 9, and describe an arc. Then 10 and P are very close. So 10 and P somewhere here. I hope you can see it here. 11 and P2 are very close. 11 and P somewhere here. So now let's mark out the points. So we have this one here. We have this one too here. We have 10 here. So now let's join it with a freehand curve. So it's going through to P. Then this one continues to the side. This one too continues to the side. This goes here. This goes here. This also goes here. This. And that's it for the involute of a circle with a string length less than the circumference. Doesn't matter if the string length is more, it's still the same procedure. Just follow along with the steps and you can do it. Thank you.